Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to get USD dollar account details on Wise app. So let's get started. For that, let's get into Wise app first and make sure you are logged into it. Now to get the details, simply click on recipient and we must have added the details of our USD card or the account in our recipient list. So let's click on this and click on USD. Here, since I have not entered it yet and the account is not added, simply click on enter bank details. But if you have added it already, you'll be able to find it here. Simply click on myself and here you'll be able to see the entire details of your bank account. If you have not added, you can simply add it here and confirm it for the further use. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.